Good morning. I'm a little frazzled. Okay. Been answering DMs. Haven't even gotten to my makeup room. I just got here. And I thought today we would just pack together. I'll show y'all what I'm taking to New York with me. And I need to be leaving in about an hour and a half. Oh, and I do have my airport makeup on my saved highlights. I'm not going to be able to do that today. I'll do that off camera. I'll probably even wear less. I'll probably just put some brow gel in my brows and some mascara today because I'll do my makeup when I get there, I think. That, or I'll order a lobster roll from DoorDash and eat it in the bed. I like that last suggestion. And if you want to see the bags that I use, check out my pack for Rome, which is on my saved highlights. So you'll see everything that I use with links. So I bought this the other day, the new Patricktaw Foundation situation. We're going to try this out while we are there because I'm bringing my light. So it'll look basically the same. And we'll try this out and maybe even do a wear test while we're there. I did the House Labs wear test. I'll be posting that tomorrow because I'm posting the giveaway today. Stay tuned. And then I also bought these from House Labs, which I want to take with me. I think we should open them. So these are highlighters, but I feel that this formula is kind of hitting the market real hard. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This is rose quartz. I don't know if I said it. It's a lot. There's a lot going on. But to me, they're technically not highlighters. Do you see how similar those are? Oh my gosh, this one's a little peachier. I believe there's an even pinker one. But this formula is so in right now, and I love it. It's this gel shiny situation, but you can see it is shiny, but once it goes on the skin, I'm swatching the RMS too. So, oh, that RMS is so pretty. So this is the RMS, which has a little bit more depth. And then this one has less depth, but they're both equally pretty shiny, but I know I wear this one all the time and it doesn't go on like a highlighter. So I'm hoping that this one kind of goes on the same, but maybe a little bit lighter. And I think I saw Michaela use this one, but I can't remember. But I'm excited to see it on my skin tone because I'm a little bit darker, and I actually just put the self-tan on my face. I talk about that in my skincare videos, the one I use. It's just for your face. It's the Saint-Tropez drops. But I'll be a lot darker by the time I get to New York. So I'm excited to see this kind of match the rest of all this going on here. It's beautiful. Now, of course, I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks Lightworks 4. Gotta take that. You know, it's such a fun palette. I can even do a super neutral eye and then just use one of these shades. It's actually really easy. And it's today the 13th. I think it launched today. And then I'm going to take this one too because I haven't even used it yet. This one is so pretty. I did lightly swatch some of the shades. And I just feel like it's so perfect for fall. This vibe. It's just gorgeous. And I want to just use it while we're there in tutorials. And if I was a sensible person, I would just be using this one. This palette is so thin and so light, but these shadows are, I mean, look at this. They're some of my favorite shadows. So this one stays in my travel kit. It just stays there. Because if I am just going somewhere really, really quickly, this is the one. This. And then for lips, I'm definitely taking these. I absolutely love these. They're so good, and the colors are just so on trend right now. I love them, and I'm excited. Okay, but these are actually so amazing. I'm about to go downstairs and finish filling these up. Do you see these? I know it's backwards, but I'm gonna put my makeup removing balm in here and a little bit of cleanser. So basically these just make it to where you don't have to take full-size bottles, and they're actually nice in here. This one says Rose and Ben Beauty on it, and it's so cute because they custom made it for me, and I'm so appreciative. Oh, and these just pop off so you can always switch out labels, but they shut really nicely. And look how much. That's plenty for 4 or 5 days, or even a week. I'm just saying I'm gonna be gone 4 or 5 days. This, I love these. And then of course they're magnetic, so they just all stay together. I love these. So these are my tried and true. I know they're both spicy priced, but when you're traveling and you're in a hurry to get ready, you don't have time for the mess ups, okay? These two, this is Laguna 03, and then the Gucci bronzer. By the way, when I was even at my most fair, this matched me. Now that I'm at one of my darkest stages in life here, this still matches me. You can't beat that. Okay, the powder that I'm going to take is new, but I want to surprise y'all with what it is. So don't get mad at me that I'm not going to show it, but you're going to see it tomorrow. So don't you get mad at me. Definitely taking this because I can make this more full glam and I can wear it really, really sheer. I love this. Y'all can even see it. If you check Danessa's page, check her last live and you'll see me put this on and that eye makeup that I did. Also remember that nobody needs this much makeup when they go on any kind of travels unless you want to. But the reason I take this much stuff is because remember, I'm doing daily tutorials and I'm also filming content. So if this seems excessive, remember, makeup is my job. Of course, I'm going to take all my Rose and Ben Beauty brushes. This isn't all of them. There's 4 more, but they're over there. Y'all know I'm going to take those. By the way, respectfully, now that this is back, this is selling out so quickly, and now everything is selling out. So in case you're wondering why we're not bringing back the bundles currently, which we will, but we're just waiting on more shipment because we just keep selling out. Thank you. Thank you for loving the brushes as much as I do. Okay, so I think that's about it. If I didn't show it and you're going, hey, you forgot this, just let me go to New York and let me get all set up and we'll talk about it even more. I'm so excited to go. I'm really, really, really excited. I'm excited to see some of you at the event on Friday, which is sold out, unfortunately. But I will take time if anyone happens to, because I respectfully, some people said that they were just going to show up and be outside, which I cannot believe that. I will come outside and I will hug you and we will chat. So if you do happen to show up at the event and you're outside, don't worry, you know I'm gonna come out there and hug you. So I love you all so much. I need to leave in 25 minutes. So let me brush these brows and put on some mascara. And the next time you see the story pop up, I'll be in New York. Okay, I love you.